Do you have pain shooting down your leg, maybe into your buttocks, thigh, or even calf? That's classic sciatica. And one of the best exercises to combat nerve irritation is called the McKenzie Extension. But let me show you how to do it safely and effectively. What's crackin'? Is Dr. Nevel, aka Dr. Ginger Ninja, here at Sport Spinal Rehab in Jupiter, Florida. I often teach the McKenzie Extension Exercises to patients with sciatica and disc-related pain because it can reduce pressure on the nerve and start bringing relief quickly. But if extension reduces your back pain, keep watching. Here's how to complete the McKenzie Extension Prone Press Ups. Step 1, start position. Lie face down, legs and glutes relaxed. Hands under your shoulders like you're setting up for a push-up. Pro tip, if you're having trouble relaxing your glutes, let your heels fall outwards. Step 2, the extension. Press through your hands, gently lift your chest and extend your spine. Keep your hips relaxed on the table. Don't force it. You don't need to go into full extension. Just go as far as you feel comfortable. Pro tip, if you're having wrist pain, you can also press up on your elbows instead. Step 3, lower back down. Slowly lower your chest back to the starting position. That's 1 rep. Start with about 10 reps a few times a day. Now, how long should you hold it? Well, that depends on what's going on in your specific condition. Version 1, quick reps. Pause at the top for 1 to 2 seconds, then come back down. This is the standard version and works great for most people with low back pain and sciatica. Version 2, longer holds. If your back feels really stiff, you can hold at the top for 5 to 10 seconds occasionally, as long as it feels good and doesn't make your leg pain worse. Here's what you're looking for. If your leg pain starts moving up towards your back while doing this, that's a good sign. It means the nerve irritation is decreasing. But if the pain shoots further down your leg, stop and talk to your healthcare practitioner. Remember, everyone's back and nerves are different. If you're unsure whether this exercise is right for you, check with your chiropractor, physical therapist, or healthcare practitioner first. I love this exercise because most of us spend our day bent forward, sitting, driving, and looking at our phones. The McKenzie Extension gives your spine the exact opposite movement, helping reduce pressure on irritated nerves and easing sciatica symptoms. If these McKenzie Extension exercises helped, hit that like button, share with a friend who's battling sciatica, and subscribe for more back pain solutions. And if you're here in Jupiter, Florida, come see us at Sport and Spinal Rehab, where we'll help you eliminate pain and get you back in the game.